Let's learn how to get the Roblox voice chat feature on mobile. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's start. Open the Roblox app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. Tap on the three dots icon. Now select the settings. The next step is to click on account info. Now, we have to verify our age. By clicking the Verify My Age button, enter your email address and password for the Roblox account. Now click on Start Session. For this step, you will have to take a photo of your valid ID, card or driver's license. Take it on the front side and the back side also. And the next step is to take a selfie. Make sure that your face is in the frame and that the photo has a decent amount of light. Then wait a couple of seconds until the app verifies your age. After the age verification is successful, open the Roblox app and go to the settings. One more time. Go to the privacy settings. And as you can see here, we have an enable voice chat option here. So just turn this on. If this video was helpful, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.